Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Now as you can see, I have signed up. I'm going to create a new account and I will show you guys how you can do the same, how you can sign up for Amazon Associate so that you can start promoting the products from Amazon and then you start earning money each time someone buys something through your links. So what you need to do, guys, I'm going to open a new Amazon account as you can see here, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can like sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Now if you scroll down, like after you create an Amazon account, what you need to do next, you want to scroll down, okay, and then you want to search here for where it says okay, it says here, yeah, make money with us. Okay, you want to click on become an affiliate. Okay, so you just need to search for become an affiliate and then click on that, and it will take you directly, guys, to this page. And it says here Amazon Associates, Amazon is affiliate marketing program. Now you earn a commission each time someone purchases something from Amazon through your link. And the best thing about this is even if they don't buy if they don't buy the exact same product, like within 24 hours, if they buy something within 24 hours, it could be any product, not the product that you are promoting, you are going to earn a commission. It's going up to 10%, even if it's not the same product that you have promoted. Okay, they just have to click on that link, and within 24 hours, if they go to Amazon again in that period and then they purchase something, you are going to earn a commission. Okay, because you just you promoted the product, and then people will be able, guys, to go to Amazon. I hope you guys understand what I mean. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on sign up, and then it will take you to this page. It says here pay your name. Now as you can see, if you, for example, if you select someone else here, it will ask you guys for the contact name if you are creating an account for someone else. Now I'm going to select the payee listed above, and in the top you just need to enter here the name, like your address, because I don't have an address on this account. That's why it asks me, guys. But for you, maybe you will not see here address information and stuff like that, your address, because you have already added it to your account. But for me, I'm just going to enter here random address right now. Okay, I'm going to add here, okay, city is Agadir, and then I'm going to select the country. I'm going to go with Morocco. Okay, as you can see, now you want to enter here your phone number. Okay, I'm going to enter here my phone number right now. Okay, this is my phone number. And then you want to just enter here your zip code and then click on next. Okay, the state is going to choose, then click next, and it will take you, guys, to this page here where you have to enter here your own password. Now by the way, you don't have to have a your own website, not a password. You have to enter here your own website. By the way, you don't have to enter here your website if you don't have it. Okay, for me, what I do, guys, I just go to YouTube and I search for a YouTube channel. It could be your YouTube channel, that's what I prefer. Okay, just create a channel and then upload some videos. For example, if you are going to promote tech products, just upload some tech products to that channel, like 3 videos or 4 videos. It doesn't have to have any views. Okay, and then you want to copy the URL of that channel. Make sure you add the profile picture so that you can make it like it's yours. Okay, and then copy the URL in the top and then paste it here. Okay, after you paste that URL, you want to click on add. Now this is the YouTube channel URL. It could be your website, it could be your Instagram accounts. Okay, I just like to use YouTube because I don't have a website. Now you want to click on next. It says here, are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? You want to select no, confirm. Here, what is your preferred associates store ID? Now you can come up with any ID. Here, a lot of people stuck in this. They don't know what associate store ID they are going to add here. You can just come up with a random number. And then you want to click here. It says here, tell us about the content you create. You just need to tell them about the content. If you have added your website, you want to tell them what you do on that website. If you have added a YouTube channel, tell them what you do on that channel. I make, for example, for me, I make videos about tech related. That's it. And then here it says, which of the following best describes your content? For example, wait to select search. And then here it says, how did you hear about us? I'm just going to come up with anything like word of mouth. And then here, by typing the characters you see in the box, you help Amazon. You just need to enter here the CAPTCHA. This CAPTCHA here, 6W6. Okay. And then you want to click, you want to check this box where it says you agree to the terms and conditions of Amazon Associate Program, and then click finish. Now, the moment you click, guys, on finish, you will be able to create an Amazon affiliate program. Now, after you sign up, you just need to wait a few, like 24 hours, yeah, and then you will approve your application, and now you can start getting the affiliate links from Amazon, and then you can start taking these affiliate links and then start promoting them on social media or any platform you like. Now, if you want to get the links from the products after you do all the steps that I showed you, after you sign up for Amazon Associates, click the video on the screen. I will show you in the video how you can get the affiliate link, so that you can start promoting that link. If someone purchases something from like using your link, then you are going to earn a commission. See you guys next video. Please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you guys next video.